The Larson Electronics portable breaker panel offers operators a primary single-phase voltage of 120 volt AC and a 100 amp main lug only panel. This power distribution system provides operators the ability to safely tap into power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. The panel is mounted on a stand with dual handles for portable applications. This unit provides an effective power distribution system for operators performing plant turnarounds, maintenance, and cleaning in hazardous locations. The portable panel is designed to operate with single-phase 120 volt AC voltage. This power distribution system is NEMA 3R rated and is ideal for indoor use and outdoor use applications. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.